Okay, so we're back with a market update with P8FX. Before we get into it, if you guys can just like the video, or if you have any questions about anything we've said, please leave it in the comments and we can get back to you. So we actually start this week on Tuesday, Monday being a very quiet day. Tuesday, we see the UK release their labor figures, where we see an increase in the amount of people claiming unemployment. However, their unemployment rate is expected to remain unchanged. Then our market movers Tuesday afternoon is the US inflation figure, where we expect it to remain unchanged at 2.4%. However, their core CPI is expected to increase slightly. And then later after that, on Tuesday, the Bank of England's Governor Bailey, he is set to speak. So just be mindful of trading GBP pairs. Then Wednesday, Australia released their wage index quite early in the morning. So be careful if trading Aussie pairs. And then Thursday, Australia released the unemployment rate, where it's set to remain unchanged at 4.1%. And then the UK released their prelim GDP quarter on quarter, which is quite important for the UK. And we expect there to be a boost in their economic health as that figure will increase. So be mindful of that. And then the US released their producer price index. We expect that to increase. However, their retail sales is expected to decrease, which is a bit conflicting bias there. But Fed Chair Jerome Powell is scheduled to speak. So expect market volatility while he is speaking. Then Friday, we see the release of Japan. They released their prelim GDP quarter on quarter. Again, there we expect a slowdown. So just be careful trading Japanese yen pairs. Then New Zealand released their inflation expectations. So be mindful if you're trading New Zealand pairs overnight. That could be a tricky one. But not a lot of data this week, but trade carefully, be smart, and we'll catch up next week. Thanks, guys.